Here is the video of the professional paddler. Here is the video of the beginner paddler. And now is for the comparison between professional paddler and beginner paddler. As shown in the video, for the beginner paddler, the angle of the paddle hole is 89 degree, but for the professional paddler, the angle of the paddle hole is 102 degree. As you can see, both of them, their eyesight is parallel to the paddle. For the arm angle extended, as you can see, for the beginner paddler, the angle is 157, but for the professional paddler, it is 155. Here are some things that I can do to improve my paddling technique. The first one, to make sure I sit upright and lean forward, so it will maintain the balance in the kayak. For the second one is focus on using core muscle, so I can paddle the kayak faster and more easier. And the lastly is maintain the blade orientation to make sure that the paddle will make the kayak move.